Are you looking to place your first trade, but need to fund your account? Start by logging into your account at tastyworks.com and navigating to My Money and clicking Deposits. Here, you can create an ACH relationship to link your bank to your trading account using our instant bank linking system. To start, select the trading account you wish to link if you have more than one account. After the account is selected, click Link Your Bank Account. Now, search for your bank, then select it. After selecting, you may now enter your bank credentials. Our linking system will communicate with your bank. Select the account you want to use, then click Continue. A window will appear prompting a successful linkage. You're now ready to initiate your deposit. If your bank is not listed in our instant bank linking system, then click I can't find my bank. Here, you can enter your bank account information, then click Submit. Our clearing firm will send 2 random micro deposits to your bank account. Once received, please return to the deposit page to verify the deposits and solidify your ACH relationship. Once verified, you will be ready to deposit funds. If you like to fund by wire, check, or another brokerage firm via ACAT, then click the tabs located on the deposits page for more information.